So I can't find much on this unit, and I need to clean it before I sell it for parts. So I thought it'd be interesting to show what's inside. And this is a Smart-AVI MX Wall Pro video wall processor. And basically, I think it's like a selector. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. For switching in between video sources for a video wall, maybe? I don't know. It's kind of hard to figure out. There's other units that do stuff and things, but I could not find the documentation for this exact unit since it doesn't have a proper model number. But figured I would at least take the cover off, look inside, and show the cards before I blow the dust out. So yeah. Alrighty, so let's see what's inside this puppy. This does have feet on the bottom, but it also can be rack mounted. And that's how it was used in this case. I'm not sure what I'm going to find internally. I think, oh, I missed some screws, that means. I think this is going to be something pretty custom. Would have been cool if it was just a repurposed PC, but doesn't appear to be the case. There we go. Hopefully those are all the same length, because I did not sort them. Oh, that's interesting. A lot more hollow than I was expecting. Oh. Some fans missing there. That's weird. So we got a Meanwell brand power supply here. LRS-350-12. And it's rated for a 12 volt, 29 amp output. And got front inputs and front display. So these video cards, or video processing cards, I don't know, they are all just modules that plug in into their associated slots. And apparently, let's see if I can get it out, the card labeled MCU in the control slot is the brains of the operation, which is really impressive because there's not a lot on this card. I might need to turn the flashlight off and change zoom. There's just not much going on. There's your processor. No clue what that chip does. Not sure what the switch does. TSP_SEL. I don't know. Got a reset button. But there's just not much going on there. Put this back in its home. And I'll give you a close-up of the HDMI input board model CKMX-HDMI-IN-V1. Silicon image, Pentaclear. Too hard to read. Let's see if I can 3x it. It'd be easier probably for you to read the model number than it is for me. Trying to read it through the screen as my hands shake. But yeah, there's really not much to these cards. The output cards have a little bit more going on than the input card or the control module. Assuming MCU stands for Master Control Unit. At least that seems like the most logical option to me. Could stand for the Marvel Cinematic Universe, you never know. wonky. There we go. Another silicon image chip. Fastlane. Not fast, vast. V-A-S-T. And that's an SI-I-9125 CTU. Or it could be a QMT 689.1-11. Who knows? It will not be popping off the heatsink, so... Oh, I had it the right way the first time. Will not be popping off the heatsink, so you will not get to find out what's under there. Oh, no, I was right. Oops. Where is it? Getting lost. NXP branded chip. And some more silicon image stuff by the outputs. So I feel like these output cards actually have more processing than the control unit, because this appears to be a CPU with these memory modules around it. Got a bunch of little SK Hynix chips there. The part number of these cards is CK5X-V2.5. And if that's a date code, this is from 2014. But is that button labeled? It's not. Button there for who knows what. Along with some headers. All the DVI cards are going to be the same because, as far as I know, they all do the same purpose. It just doesn't slide in very nicely out of frame, but yeah, so unfortunately though, I think this cord is still energized. If you plug it in, the fans sound like hell. These two are bad. This one's bad. Can't see because it's not in frame. Maybe add a little light. Yeah, it's out of frame. This one's bad though, it's kind of stuck. Oh, that one's bad too, unless that's thermal controlled. I do not have anything plastic and pokey. Actually, I could use this. Yeah, it might be temperature controlled. Nice input can be selected. On auto range power supply, so you have to select the voltage of your input apparently. But yeah, that fan is definitely bad. I feel like there should be fans there as well, because there's fans on both sides of the back at least, but hard to say. Hopefully that was interesting though, and thanks for watching.